Tanggalin yon, destroy the breeding place. And in doing so, decrease yung population ng mga alga, sa mga lamok. Pangalawa, yung self-protection. We encourage, lalo na yung mga estudyante, kung yung sa eskwela maraming lamok, we advise them to wear long pants, long sleeves, light-colored dresses. Kung dark kasi ito, yung gustong-gusto ng mga lamok, no? So, the use of off, and then other ginagamit na pwedeng na pampabugaw ng ating mga lamok. So that's self-protection as well. Kung sa bahay naman, we can do the spraying as well yung the use of bed nets, treated, tapos yung sa screen din sa mga bintana, we can do that to protect for our self-protection. And pangatlo, seek early consultation kung merong symptoms kasi ang dengue all throughout the year na, wala na siyang specific. Ngayon lang tataas kasi the increasing number of breeding places. So, yung seek early referral or consultation, kung sa tingin naman, merong kaso sa isang area at nagkaroon ng fever, lalo na pag mayroong mga rashes, i-refer ka agad kasi baka dengue na yun, bumababa na yung platelet ka. So meron naman tayong hospital protocol regarding that one. Meron tayong mga fast lane, meron tayong mga liquids na nandiyan kasi also, this is part also of our plan. So, seek early consultation, and then ang last, actually, support our spraying campaign, the tagging, the misting, lalo na yung mga areas na may hotspots. Ano ibig sabihin? For a number of weeks now, may mga cases na positive. At kung hindi ito nawawala ng hotspots, yun yung monitor po natin ngayon. So, ina-identify po ng resto natin, ng grupo ni Dr. Jane yung kanina, pinag-aralan yung bawat barangay kung saan yung mga kaso. Now, also, ang ating hospitals are sentinel facilities. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag mga pasyente na na-admit sa hospital, tumataas yung cases, confirmed dengue cases. Ibig sabihin nun, the community that they come from, baka marami pang mas may dengue na hindi lang napakonsulta. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng dengue severe, no? Sounds like mild lang naman. Pero nakakahawa siya kasi yung meron siyang dengue virus sa kagat ng lamok, mapapasa po. Kaya importante, tinatrack namin yung saan ba nakatira ito. And pag dumadating sa table ko, kasi weekly po, pupunta sa table ko, monitor ko agad yun. Pag makita ko, kung tumataas yung nakakaroon ng hotspots dito, I immediately instruct our local and support division, Grupo de Doctora Santa Lucia, to increase the intensify health promotion campaign, IEC. Dapat merong bababa, talk to our counterparts. And also, nagbibigay din ako ng instruction sa ating mga development management officer, yung mga DOH representative natin na sa LGU kung saan yung magkakaroon ng clustering of cases, and then usually reminding them, discuss this in the local health board, pag-usapan, handa na ba yung community, talk to the barangay officials, gano'n. So we deployed our people, health promotion, IC campaign, dapat mataas yung level of awareness, kasi nga, totoong-totoo yung dengue, meron namamatay, some are mild, but unfortunately, meron naman kaso, lalo na yung mga bata na so we don't want to lose lives simply because napabayaan siya. May sistema naman po tayo sa disease surveillance, alam natin anong gagawin, the 4S, at may mga hospital tayo at na-train na po natin sila kung paano gagawin. So let's just activate that one and be vigilant and report the cases.
Yung dengue fast line RD, effective yun until now, gumagana yun?
Yeah, pag tumataas yung kaso, immediately activated yan Kasi ayaw nating mag-refer ng pasyente sa hospital. Pag mag-aantay doon, mamamatay na, kapila. Kasi alam mo naman, pag recover ng hospital, marami nakapila kasi din yung services. For dengue kasi, we would like them to have a fast lane para ma-hydrate agad, ma-IV agad. Hindi naman kailangan yan, hydration. Pero kung puno ng hospital, we also encourage the LGUs to identify their hydration areas para hindi na masikip sa hospital, doon na lang mag-IV, monitor nila sa mental centers. We can do it, we are doing that one. Again, as usual, I would like to request your support to increase the level of awareness. Alam naman po natin yung awareness. Tulong-tulong na po tayo.
Another topic, there is a proposal na i-change yung name ng DOH into the Department of Health and Wellness. What is your take on this, RD? Secretary Herbosa po yung nag-propose.
Well, alam ko, all CHDs, ito natakil namin ni Secretary Herbosa, that all Center for Health Development is going to have a wellness center. That's one of the facilities na meron kami dapat sa CHD. The purpose of which is to provide health services to our health workers. Kasi kami, 500 plus, dapat